back to another Patrick Does Everything video. Thunderstorm randomness. The randomness of Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm randomness.
I believe so.
Part 2. Let's go.
Guys, look at my dance.
Where'd you learn that from daycare, huh?
From the boys.
From the boys in daycare. Okay, great.
Welcome to the jungle.
If you guys wonder, this is kind of what we do every time there's a big rain, lot of rain. That made no sense. Alright. Hey, come here. We gotta stay out here for the audio.
When it gets even.
So, oh my God, that's a big cloud over there. Jesus. Gotta show you this guy. It's a huge cloud down there. Okay, now it's starting to get boring. There's no rain that much. But this is after literally like just 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, I think we might like, yeah, let's maybe,
Go back.
I think so, yeah. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching Thunderstorm Randomness. Bye.